Foshan Wellcamp Building Materials Company Limited, 100% exporting business, is a professional company engaged in research, development, sale and service of prefab house, container home, container hospital, container isolation room, container office, container hotel, steel structure, light steel villa, and portable toilet. Our team has over several years' experiences in exporting prefab houses. Our office in Foshan City and factory in Zhaoqing City, more than 20,000 meters squared production area. As a famous brand, Wellcamp has successfully completed many projects, such as government, international joint venture, construction company, and charity organization in various fields, such as oil, military camps, and emergency functions in Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Sudan, Mozambique, Congo, Brazil, Mexico, India, Indonesia, Thailand, USA, Germany, and Japan. In the recent years, we take pride in achieving the certificates of ISO 9001-2015, SGS, UL, BV, CE, ASTM, TUV, and the top 10 famous brands of prefabricated house in China. In addition, our folding container house, a house can be set up in 4 minutes, and flat pack container house, designed with completed roof and floor. 2 hours can install one house are widely used for the container isolation room, container hospital, container labor camp, and relief housing. Our expandable container house is widely used in emergency function, site office, and field clinic. Wellcamp is dedicated to developing environment-friendly products and to improve the living conditions. Wellcamp, moving the world.